Hi everybody, Chris here from Truly Holistic. Now, the title of this video is what do I carry around with me all the time? Yeah, essentially 24 hours, 7 days a week, okay? I kind of look at it as my first aid kit, okay? I'm a true quantum healer, and I am going to rely on the tools I use every day to help people with health problems, okay? I'm going to have them around for me. I know the power that they have, and I know how they can actually transform your life in a very positive way. So this title of this video is what do I carry around as my first aid kit. Now, the first thing I always carry around with, and I always have it on me, and it's actually on me now, I'm just going to grab it out of my pocket, is a little tensor ring. Okay, and I'll just show you that. See if you can get a good, if it zooms on that. Okay, and now this comes from the Slim Sperling, in the early 90s. He was developing these tensor rings and tensor technology, including coils and so on. Why I carry this around is, one, the convenience of it. Okay, a lot of these tools, obviously, they've got to be in a size that you can carry them around, right? You can put them in your pocket, you can put them in your jacket pocket. For a woman, you can put them in your handbag or a purse or anything like that. So this is the smallest tool I have, okay? And what tensor rings do is essentially the basis of them. They transmute negative field into positive field, okay? And you translate field to energy, okay? So transmutes negative energy into positive energy, okay? Now, within this world that we live in, where it's a jungle of frequency, and especially a lot of distorted, non-compatible frequency that irritates our own bioenergetic field because it's not compatible with us. We need these little tools at our disposal to transmute that negative field or a non-compatible field into a compatible field for us to be healthy, okay, and vital. Okay, so you can get a lot bigger rings than these, but I originally got this ring. It was mainly for taps. You place it over your tap, so you could drink tap water. And usually, majority of the time, tap water is not recommended to drink because there's contaminants in it. Okay. And a lot of people have a filtration system on their water supply. The majority of water supply I drink is spring water, and but I still use the tools on it. I still use tools to increase its charge even more. But this can make tap water drinkable again, okay? Because again, it restructures the water. It's transmuting anything negative in the water into something that is compatible for you, and it's not going to cause an issue for you. But that was kind of its initial kind of purpose. But what I find is I like to carry around my pocket, because you got to remember, 4 feet away from your physical body is your bioenergetic field, and anything that is good at transmuting negative energy and positive energy, you want it within your bioenergetic field. So if you have it on you, it's within your bioenergetic field, okay? Just that alone. Another thing I really like about this is that if you're out and about, you're with friends and you're going to have a coffee, or you're going to go and have an alcoholic beverage of some sort, or a drink of some sort, and you don't know the quality of it. There may be things that are going to react with you, and they're not going to be compatible with you. Okay, and this is where a lot of food allergies, and water adverse reactions come from, because there's certain things in them that are not compatible with you. Well, you can use little tools like this to transmute it, to make it more compatible to you. So what you can quite often do while you're holding your drink, for example, I've got a glass here. While you're drinking, you can just have this in your, like that, and you just like that, and you're just holding a drink like that. No one would know that you're holding anything other than that glass of water, and you've got the little ring underneath, which is transmuting and changing the structure of that substance to make it more an odds in your favor than against. Okay, and this is what all these little tools are about. It's putting everything in your favor instead of against you. Okay, and this is this whole idea of compatibility. Okay, so this is one tool I absolutely love. Just go like that, you actually feel a clearing happening. But why I love it so much is because of the size of it. You just place it. I have it in my pocket every day, all the time, and it's always there to help me. So that's the first thing I'll have. The second thing is another thing in my other pocket, and this is called a crystalline beamer. Okay, so I guess you could call it a bit like a wand, and there's many wands out there, or energy wands. But the guy that made this, a guy called Wayne Gados from Crystalline Incorporated in Canada, I'm a distributor of his product. He created this beamer. Now this beamer has, let's first talk about why I use it, and I'll talk a bit more of why it's important to have and why it's convenient. Well, it's convenient because of its size. Okay, you can put it in your pocket. Okay, and you'll notice that anybody that's had a session with me is that I'll use my intent coupled with a geometry device. Usually like a big pyramidal device, like a Chesterhedron or Vesica Pisces or even a Merkaba design. Now those tools are too big to carry around with me if I'm out and about, right? So I like to take this because this is an intent tool. Okay, it comes out as a thin beam instead of a broadcasting out like a pyramidal type of tool. But it's very powerful tool, very powerful. It's very convenient because of its size, and so quite often when I'm out and about, I'll have somebody text me or even call me for an emergency situation. That might be a family member or just somebody close by, and they'll say, "Oh, I'm having issues with my neck. I've got back pain. I've got hip pain." And quite often on the spot, I can just check to see what's out of alignment, to see a certain area of their hips out of alignment, their lower back or their neck, and then on the spot, if they were in front of me, then I can just point this in the area that's out of alignment and just say, for example, the top disc in the neck, realign true. And I use those words coupled with a geometry or with a tool that has intent or amplification capability. All of a sudden, within seconds, that person's neck is put back into alignment. All of a sudden, the headache goes away. So, and plus, I can use it as a distance tool. Get my phone out, get their photo up with something like on Instagram or Facebook. I can access their photo with obviously with their agreement. That I can do that and I can use that. And straight away, I'll just use the intent, find out what's wrong with them, use the intent, fix the problem. So it's a wonderful tool like that. Now another. I'm going to get into the science of the beamer now, is the fact that the beamer is an orgone device, so it emits energy all the time. So it's got layered metals, okay? With orgone and Wilhelm Reich, your conventional orgonite component products is shavings, metal shavings, a crystal, and resin, and sometimes they have coils in them. So the layers of metals have a resonance quality to it, and the other thing about it is also it has the vibration, the frequency of noble gases in the beamer, which are inert gases like xenon, neon, and all the ones that go down that column on the chemical table, periodic table, and when you put them all together, they create a very beneficial resonance of energy. Again, another healing modality to it. So it's a very powerful tool, and because it's a free energy device, because it's not plugged into the wall or anything like that, it's emitting energy all the time, this beamer. So if you have it on you, again, it's within your bioenergetic field, so it's charging your bioenergetic field all the time, 24 hours, 7 days a week. So, and it will never run out of that energy. So I love to have this on me all the time, just for that purpose, for my own energetic field, but also for the convenience of having an intention tool to do work whenever needed. Okay. Another thing you can do, also, you can just spin it anti-clockwise over top of food or water, just to charge. So that's another good quality of it too. Now, another tool that's quite often I may have on me is the neutralization ring. Okay, so this is a 4-inch neutralization ring, again part of the Crystalline Incorporated products, and this tool does a similar job to the Tensor ring. But what I found with my dowsing is that the neutralization ring goes a little bit deeper into the body. It's a bit stronger than the Tensor ring. But I guess why I hold the Tensor ring more than that is just because it's smaller. It's more convenient to put in your pocket. But yeah, this does also have a purpose. Neutralization ring neutralizes and removes anything negative out of substance, so therefore it's removing negative field and therefore restructuring, allowing positive field to come in. So you'll quite often see in other videos I couple this tool with the sun ring, and don't have a sun ring close to me, but that's the sun ring on the end of the Chesterhedron there. One pulls out negative energy, one you can then charge that substance with positive structure and whatever you like. So that's another tool I do use, and it works very well. But quite often it'll either be one or the other, not both. And again, it's in a size that fits in the pocket. Where the sun ring, because the stokes go outwards compared to inwards, quite often sometimes it's a little bit hard to put in the pocket, but it'll easily fit in a handbag or anything like that, or a bag that you wear. Now another thing that I've got on me all the time, and I've got it around my neck as we speak, is this pendant, which is called a multi-wave oscillator pendant. Okay, so MWO. And again, this is a bioenergetic product, and you'll notice here that it's got a coil around the outside. That's a tensor coil, and then this bit in the middle is actually it alters gravity. Okay, and so what this does is that, again, it's a transmuter of negative field into positive field. One, it actually strengthens your bioenergetic field. Okay, and when you're strengthening your bioenergetic field, you're going to feel more balanced. Okay, you're going to feel better coordination. It reduces pain. One thing, when I first put this on, straight away I felt like I had magnets on the bottom of my feet. I felt stable as a rock. And you can do muscle testing with this and try and pull somebody over. You cannot. They are just rock solid with this thing on, because it strengthens your bioenergetic field. And if it's going to strengthen your bioenergetic field, then you're going to be high vibrational, which reduces the likelihood of getting illnesses and disease, which are caused from inflammation as a manifestation of the bioenergetic field not doing very well, and being distorted by all this non-compatible frequency. So this is something I wear all the time, even when I'm asleep at night. I never take it off. One last addition I just want to mention before we finish the video is one tool I will try and keep close to me as much as possible. It's probably a little bit big to put in my pocket, is an AccuVac coil. Okay, and this is a slim spooling tool again, and again a trade field. Okay, very good tool, and negative field goes in. As Slim used to say, it's like a vacuum cleaner for pain or inflammation, because it pulls out negative field. Negative field causes inflammation. So it goes through there, we pull it off. So if I've got a sore hand, I'll place it on my hand, like so, and that's drawing off the negative field. Then once that's finished, you'll feel a good pull on it. Once that pull's finished, you turn that around, and then the positive field will go back into the area. Okay, so we're changing negative field into positive field, and it works really well if you've got muscle pain or an ache or a headache or anything like that. And within minutes you can remove that pain. It's easy as that. So this is a tool I like to keep closer. Maybe Slim used to always keep one in his car. He used to have a smaller one he used to keep in his jacket pocket. So this is a tool I do have on my website. Now the other tool that is a coil, which is the feedback loop. This is a big one, but I'm going to have a smaller one for sale on the loop, which on the website. So it'll be in a size that you can put it in your pocket. So that's another little cool tool that I do keep close to me. So anyway, that's the end of the video. I thought I'd just share that with you. These tools are not about. It's not just about using them here and there. It's a lifestyle. Okay, I'm a quantum energy healer. I know the benefits that these tools give people every day, including myself. I've done so many experiments using these tools, and I've just seen benefit after benefit and added benefit all the time on incorporating everything you do every day of your life. Okay. And as I say, the more you do it, the more you're putting everything in your odds in your favor in regards to maintaining vitality, maintaining high vibration, and being healthy for the rest of your life. Bye.